Alright, so I'm gonna do something never done before. I'm gonna go jump in the snow and roll around.
It's called blood shunting. It's good for your heart. You go, girl. Hand to your front. Keep going. How'd it feel?
It's not that bad.
Good morning. It is day 27 of this video series. So as you can see, I'm absolutely drenched wet after that cycle class. It was basically like the stages flight class that I have done before, where you have your wattage, your FTP, everything on the wall to kind of keep you accountable, so you have to push her to get no choice. So Sunshine did it as well, even though she's a little sick. And the rest of them are still going on in there because they're going to do 90 minutes, but we're going to go back and do a live feed and have a feed. But whenever you have the opportunity to get out and do a different type of cardio as opposed to just sticking to the same thing, do it, because it's good to be versatile. Even though this is a muscle building trainer, you'll be surprised how well it allows you to actually adapt and improve the efficiency of your recovery. You know, it may sound the complete opposite to what we've always been told, but believe me, ever since that I did my Ironman events last year and my ultramarathon, I've completely changed that way of thinking. Alright, so we've just been in the sauna for about 25 minutes. It's a beautiful day outside. So I think I'm going to shock my heart a little bit. It's called blood shunting. Shock therapy, we'll call it. So I'm going to go for a little roll in the snow. By the way, these aren't my pants. These are my girlfriend's.
Not.
Oh. 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 Beautiful. That was lovely. It's actually not that shocking, is it really?
Not that shocking?
It's not really that shocking. You know, it's not like getting in an ice bath where it's just completely consuming you, because like while you're getting shrinkage on your front, you're warm on the back, you know? Alright, just finished our evening cardio, or late afternoon I should say. We did 20 minutes now on the Stairmaster. So this is steady state. Kept my heart rate probably around 130, 135, bloody drenched in sweat though. So got that done, and now we're going to go out and have a meal. We've only got a couple of meals, because remember, you're fasting tomorrow. Remember that. Make sure that you get plenty of hydration in you. So you'll probably want to cut out your food probably about 2 hours before you do go to bed. So think about that. It'll make it a little bit easier going in tomorrow, so you can have a casein shake before you go to bed if you like. And then fast. Remember, it's an 18-hour fast. And then you've got that 6-hour window, or 16-hour fast, sorry. And then you've got that 8-hour window to eat. Cool. Get a little bit lightheaded, have some food, I reckon. This is going to be very quick because I am so friggin' hungry. And when this is in front of me, it is tough not to touch it. But what I've got here is a half a pound bison burger. And I've got quinoa, sprouts, alfalfa sprouts, cucumber, spinach, lettuce, tomato, should be there some peppers. Some jalapenos peppers, and yeah, I think there's anyway a lot of good stuff, a lot of fibrous carbs, a lot of first class proteins and complex carbs. And what is that?
Oh, some sort of pepper.
Oh,
there you are.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And I'm going to eat something with peppers as well. Oh, wow, it's hot.
Real hot?
Maybe not. Really hot.
Yeah, dig in.
But anyway, I got some vinaigrette here, a little bit of pesto. Got some fats in the pesto there. Ooh, and in the bison. Damn, that is hot.
Serves you right for eating my food.
Last time I did that.
Booby trap.
Bon appetit.